Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a BMW 2 Series grille. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the engine is off. You'll need a few basic tools, like a T30 Torx driver and some plastic trim removal tools. Having the right equipment makes the process much smoother and helps prevent any accidental damage to your car's finish. Double-check that your new grille matches your specific 2 Series model before you begin. Now let's get to removing the old grille. Begin by carefully pulling off the weather stripping along the top of the bumper. This will expose 6 T30 Torx bolts. Unscrew these bolts and keep them in a safe place. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the top of the bumper forward. It should move about 4 to 5 inches, giving you enough space to reach behind the grille and access the clips. Use your fingers or a trim tool to release the clips, pushing down on the top ones and up on the bottom ones. With the old grille removed, it's time to install your stylish new one. Before snapping it in, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the bumper's grille opening. This ensures a clean fit and prevents any scratches. Carefully align the new grille with the openings in the bumper. Then, apply firm, even pressure, pushing the grille into place until you hear each clip engage with a satisfying click. Make sure all clips are fully seated for a secure and flush installation. You're almost done. Now, carefully push the bumper back into its original position, ensuring it aligns correctly with the headlight locators and other mounting points. Reinstall the 6 T30 Torx bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not excessively. Finally, replace the weather stripping along the top of the bumper. Give your new grille a quick check to ensure it's firmly in place. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your refreshed BMW 2 Series.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.